happening, everybody? It's your boy Big Brando. Today we're coming at you live from the Heat Press Nation showroom where I wanted to show you guys something crazy. And it's this right here, the Sawgrass Versiflex. This print right here feels absolutely amazing. Stretches good, feels good, hand feel is 100%. This print right here came off of a Sawgrass printer. So this is the Sawgrass SG500 with the Versiflex inks inside of it. The way it works is not like a sublimation printer, but you can still do sublimation with these same inks. This allows you to print on white and light colored 100% cotton t-shirts. Just to show you what it looks like, this right here is on a canvas bag. This also was printed off of the SG500 with the Versiflex ink formula and Versiflex paper. This thing looks good, feels good. It doesn't feel like DTF. It doesn't feel like plastic. It feels like it's in the material. It also works on denim. Here's a little denim jacket that they printed up using the same exact ink formula off that SG500. And here it is on a tan colored shirt, sand colored shirt, tan colored shirt. Stretches good, looks good, feels good. So once again, this stuff is printed on the SG500. This is Versiflex by Sawgrass. Versiflex Light, that's the paper that you would use. You can print on bags like this. Takes inks like this. It's not your standard CMYK, they call it CMYE. You could print on things like this. You could do full photographs. You could still sublimate if you wanted to, but it also works as printing on light colored garments. When I say light colored garments, it's because there's no white ink in there, but the print feels amazing. Feels like it's in the shirt. It doesn't feel like DTF. Doesn't feel like any other type of transfer. It's actually up in there. This is something I'm looking forward to adding to the shop. SG500 Sawgrass with the Versiflex for light colors. This is mean. So canvas bags, and this right here, it prints on heather gray, whites, tans, any light colored garment. But look at the clarity in the print. The gradients inside the senior. Like I said, this thing is in the shirt. Sawgrass SG500 with the Versiflex inks and the Sawgrass Versiflex light transfer paper. To me, it's a game changer. It's up to you guys, but for me, it's something I'm going to incorporate in the shop because of printing on whites and it feeling this good in the fabric. So crazy to me, and seeing it on heather gray is dope. Being able to see it on white is an easy call, but on tans, it looks amazing. Look forward to seeing this in my shop and on my channel soon. Prints look good, prints feel good. The SG500 does 8.5 by 11 paper, and then the SG1000 does 11 by 17 paper. You guys got any more questions about any of this Versiflex stuff, Sawgrass stuff, make sure you go to heatpressnation.com/BigBrando for more information. You can follow me on Instagram if you wanted to, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.